Changing the heating mode. In normal mode, the controller is providing heating and hot water. To change the setting to hot water only, summertime, press the M until only a shower symbol is shown on the screen. Press the return button to the right of the M button to confirm. To change the setting back to heating and hot water, press the M button until both a shower symbol and a sunshine symbol is seen. Press the return button to the right of the M key to confirm. Changing the room temperature. This should only be changed once, since constant changing of temperatures will raise your bill. Press and hold the M and the up arrow together until the screen changes. This will enter you into the parameter section. By using the up and down arrows, you will go to number 29 on the screen. Now press Enter. By using the up and down arrows again, you can now change the room temperature. Please note that your bills will rise considerably for every degree over the usual setting of 21°C. Once you have your desired temperature, press the return button to confirm. It is important to only change the room temperature parameter. If you change any other parameter, it may affect the efficiency of the system. Switching your system off and on. Simply press the standby button, far left, once to switch off and on.